What is going on, you guys? Hope you guys are all having a great day today. And for today's video, we are going to be pranking my sister. I'm right here with my nephew.
Hi.
So she told me to come get them their lunch from their school, because right now, you know, we're not going to school, right? And so what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be going to Walgreens and I'm going to get a poster for the back. And I'm going to just write something on it for people to honk. I put honk for something, and people are going to be honking while my sister's driving. So right now we're going to head to Walgreens, get the poster, and yeah, I'll see you guys over there. Guys, so right now I'm going to be calling my sister to see if she's going to be going anywhere so I could go with her somewhere so we could pull the prank. Alright, so I'm going to call her right now.
Yeah.
Hey. I came to see if I could find the energy drink I was looking for.
Oh, okay.
Well, can we go right now, to get the CO4s?
Go where?
To the store.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Thanks.
Bye. Yes, sir! Guys, we just got here to Walgreens, and I need tape. You think this tape will do it? Yeah, I think this one would be fine. Yeah, so we're gonna be taking this tape right here, and we need a poster and then like a Sharpie. Guys, we got the Sharpie. We got a red one so it could be nice and bright, you know. And then we got this poster. There was not like a paper poster, but this one's like, I don't know, it's a different kind, but it works. So let's go purchase this and go out. So guys, we just got out Walgreens, and we're gonna start putting the poster in the car. So we're gonna first write. We're gonna put what should we put? Honk if you're happy? Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna write down on the poster, honk if you're happy. So we're gonna do it right here outside of Walgreens, because if we go back home, it's gonna take a while, and then my sister's gonna suspect. Let's start writing.
Make it big so they can see it.
Honk. My writing is not that good, but let's do our best. Honk if you're happy. So we're gonna put this on the car right now. So guys, we just finished taping it to the car, so now we're gonna head to my sister's house and start to pull the prank. Guys, we just got back, so we're gonna go in and tell her that let's go. So guys, we are about to take off to where I told my sister to take me. She's inside and she is coming outside right now, so we are leaving. So yeah, the GoPro, I put it right there. Can't really see it, but it's back there hidden, and that's the one that's gonna be recording. So I'll see you guys. She's gonna be super mad. Hopefully I don't die, guys, but it is what it is.
Walmart right here.
When did I say Walmart?
What store then?
Oh, Big Five. Go through Shaw.
Is that the one in Blackstone?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's not far. We'll get there quick.
Then why didn't you drive?
You got it. We're not going to New York or something.
I know.
That is far. I need to be back before 4 to do those things. Other one. I wonder she's not like Why are they honking? Is something wrong with the car? Are the brakes working?
Obviously, if you're braking.
Oh my god.
No, the lights. Well, why did they honk? And the other one did too.
You braked. Obviously, they're working.
The lights in the back.
Yeah, they do.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Then why are they honking at us?
And that was two people.
Yeah.
And they happened at the same time. They're probably honking at each other.
No, the other one over there.
Oh, the red one. Yeah, that.
Another one.
What are you?
Okay, what the hell?
The track?
No, it's down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop.
Like, watch out! What are you doing? You're literally past the red.
Did I hit who?
No, like, did you rip off my bumper? That was like 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, brake.
See if the brakes work.
Oh my god.
I don't think so. The car. Look, he got mad too. Look,
Oh, he's switching lanes.
Oh my.
but he got mad.
They do, cause like when I open the control, they turn on.
Get down and check if your fucking brakes work.
Press on them. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they work. What? Oh my god!
What do you have in the back, Hira?
Dude, it's a normal thing.
Did you put Donald Trump over there or something?
What do you mean? The flag, I don't own it.
Where's the flag?
Ricky,
Where's the flag behind them?
I know. Everything's good.
Huh?
The fuck? People are weird right now.
I know.
What's wrong with them? Let's see if they honk someone else.
Yeah, what do you have in the back?
I don't have nothing.
Are you sure? Well, yeah, maybe there's something in the back. No.
We did it.
We were just looking for the coffee, but we didn't find the energy drink or whatever.
What did you take?
I didn't take nothing.
So why are they hiding a thing?
Well, the lights are good. What? I don't know. I'm just saying good. What's wrong with him? He went like that. He's like, yeah.
Listen, I hope no.
Why are people honking?
I know.
I'm confused right now. I gotta get down and see your car.
I'm confused too. Yeah. What's wrong with that?
I have to get down. Why am I driving your car? Well, that was on purpose.
No, it was in the back and we were going. It's straight. Where you going? Come on, pay attention to the road.
Can you get down and tell me a picture of...
How am I gonna get down? Look, there's nothing in the back.
You have a camera there, Hannah.
Where's your camera?
How are you doing your camera?
Guys, she found the camera!
What is this prank, dude?
Alright, so this whole time we weren't going to Big Five.
Are you kidding me, dude? Where the f are we going?
We were just driving. That was just an
Hannah, I have
excuse.
work to do. But you have me right here running around? Oh my god, dude.
She found it!
Really? Like, really?
You mean get down and see what the car has? Where are you going? Hold on.
What the heck, dude?
Yeah. Guys, we just got back home and pretty funny reaction, I guess you could say. She got kind of mad, not really, but it was pretty funny. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like those houses. They're super nice, huh? They're nice. But hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video on Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and make sure to go subscribe and leave a like. That's super loud. That's amazing. That's a beautiful car. That, like, it's just amazing, the sound of it and how it looks. Impressive.